When we asked women, and the respondents were more than 1,000 to the survey, we asked them, what are you looking for in manufacturing careers? And the first was networking opportunities. So as Elise mentioned this morning, the power of network is real. I think we all know that you can have lots of great credentials, you can have wonderful experiences, but a lot of life still professionally is connected to making connections with people professionally. So networking opportunities, we know, is what women cite as one of the top things they were looking for in their career. Number two, flexibility. And we like to talk about flexibility as it not being just a women's issue, and the same with childcare. Those two hand in hand, they're not just a women's issue, they're a parent issue. So we know that women, and we think generally most people in the workforce present day post-pandemic, are looking for flexibility. Manufacturers proved post-pandemic that they could become flexible. That might look a little different, especially for those at the front line and connected to, obviously, machines. But there's been lots of adaptation to tools and technology to help individuals have more flexible schedules at their places of work. And we've had some great case studies within our publications, manufacturing companies talking about how they have been able to deploy flexibility, especially at the front line, which we know is often most challenging. Company-supported development, I'll talk about a few of our tools that we have during our panel discussion that we offer as formal programs for professional development, but we know that people are seeking to have investments made in their career futures. And then lastly, childcare, as I mentioned, it's not just a women's issue, it's a parent's issue. Childcare was a pre-pandemic issue, a post-pandemic problem that's even more illuminated than prior. You know, our goal as an organization is to support policies, procedures, and companies at making childcare more accessible and affordable, especially we know for frontline women, many of them are single parents, and it's really difficult to get to work if you don't have reliable and affordable childcare.